A 27-year-old woman involved in a car accident is brought into the ED. Her MRI reveals that she has a laceration of the spinal cord at the L4 level. Which of the following structures would you expect to be intact? A. Dorsal horn. B. Lateral horn. C. The ventral horn. D. Gray matter. Or E. The white matter. Our correct answer is B. The lateral horn. The lateral horns, also known as the lateral gray column, is one of the three gray columns of the spinal cord, the others being the anterior and the posterior gray columns. The lateral horns are primarily involved with activity in the autonomic motor system. The lateral horns are found in the gray matter of the spinal cord between T1 to L2. Let's put a marking here. Between T1 to L2 for the sympathetic outflow, and also between S2 to S4. Between S2 to S4 for parasympathetic outflow. Therefore, because the lateral horns are only located between T1 to L2 and between S2 to S4, L4 spinal cord level would be spared.